I've already added a video clip to my timeline where I want to add the text. To do this, select the Type tool from the panel next to your timeline. Click anywhere in the preview window and let's write your text. Premiere Pro will automatically create a red window for the text layer, placing it above the video on the timeline. You can then click and drag the clip to modify where you want the text to appear in your video. In case if you want to modify the duration of the text, just drag the edge of the text clip. To edit your text, just select it. Go to the Effects Control panel and expand the Text option. Here you can make changes like adjusting the font, size, or color. Simply click on Stroke to choose your desired color. If you want to put the text in different position, scroll down to the Transform section. Moving the X and Y coordinates, you can adjust the position, but in the long way can be a bit time-consuming. Otherwise, use the Selection tool to drag and position directly in the frame. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.